Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 7 English textbooks. We are going to start our lesson from unit 4, Health is the Greatest Wealth. SLOs of this lesson are articulate complex tongue twisters, demonstrate use of be, have, do and need as main or helping verb in sentences. Demonstrate and recognize use of linking verbs. These are the tongue twisters here. We are going to discuss it. These are the tongue twisters we are going to discuss. On page number 47 of your textbook, you have to say this tongue twisters here with the sound of V and W, and you have to practice it and memorize it and say it to your partner or to your teacher. Better, whether, never, whether, better, whether, better. Which, which, the which, which. These are the tongue twisters. I know it's a little bit complicated, but you can do it. Now look here, the verbs. What are the verbs? Verbs refer to an action or situation or state or being something. We have different kinds of verbs: auxiliary verb, main verb, helping verb, transitive, intransitive, linking verbs, modal verbs. We will discuss all these types of verbs in our next lesson too. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the auxiliary verbs. Be, do, have and need as main and an auxiliary verb. How they can act as an auxiliary verb or a main verb. The word be here. She is cooking dinner for us. Here, be refers that this person, she is in this situation. She's making dinner. She's cooking dinner here. Is. So here the auxiliary verb is. Refer to the present situation. And how it will work as the main verb. I am from Mardan. Am here is the state verb here. Tells you the state of something. She is in the state of cooking and he is from Mardan. Both these states we have here. Do, I do not know him. Here the main verb is know and the do is an auxiliary verb, or we can say the helping verb here. We have learned these concepts of helping and auxiliary verb in our previous class 2. I have done my homework. Is the main verb here? Done is the main verb here. Have, I have been following you for a mile. Here the following is the main verb and have is here the auxiliary or the helping verb here. And as a main verb here, we have a big house. Have is the acting as a main verb here. Need, she need not hurry and she needs to come with us. Here, hurry is the main verb and need is the auxiliary verb. And the need here is the main verb here in this sentence. This is the exercise of it. Read the following sentences carefully. Tell whether the underlined word is main or helping verb. One has been done. This old shop has no proper shelf. Here we have no verb here. So has here is the main verb here. But you need to tell that is this a main verb or a helping verb. The first one is the main verb. The second one is she was going to the shopping mall. Yes, we have the main verb here, going here. So was is the yes, helping verb here. The third one, do you have a pencil? We don't have any other verb here. Can't see anything. So the bold one here have is the yes, main verb here. Identify these three by yourself: is, have and done. Look here, the linking verbs. What are the linking verbs? Linking verbs do not show action, instead they link the subject with the word or word in the predicate that tells something about the subject. Like he is a subject here. He was a good banker. Was, we have a verb here, and banker is also a noun. So the most common linking verbs are here. The am, is, are, was, were, being, been. Was is a linking verb here. Was is a linking verb here, which is linking the subject and the noun here. The both are the same. He and the banker is the same person here. But was is the linking verb here, which is connecting both these two. The second example, she is very sad here. She is the subject, is here the linking verb, and sad is the adjective here. Adjective tells you more about the person, that this person is sad here, about a noun. She is a person here, a noun or subject here, and is the linking verb. So this linking verb here connecting both these two, the noun and the adjective. Some other linking verbs are become, appear, feel, look, remain, seem, catch, go, grow, taste, smell, sound. If the above words can be substituted with am, are, is, the words are linking verbs. Other than that, they are action verbs. If we have a sentence in which we don't have any is, am, are, were, or was, so these words can act like linking verb in a sentence. But if we have these linking verbs in a sentence, these words will be called action verb. If we have these linking verb here in a sentence, but if we don't have these words in a sentence, we can call these words here the linking verbs. They can act like linking verb in a sentence. The section E here, the exercise of linking verb here. For each given sentence, choose a linking verb. Now, it will clear your concept. If we don't have is, are, am, was, or were in a sentence, how can become those words the linking verb? The magician, amazing in his skills. You have to choose the linking verb here, the right linking verb here. Yes, this is talking about in journal. So, the magician is the one person here. So, are and were is wrong here because it is used for plural, or we use it with I, you, we, and they. The magician being amazing in his skills. No, this is wrong. The right answer is here. Yes. The second one, you going to buy me an Eid gift. What will be the right linking verb here? You were going to buy. You are going. This is about the present. It's going to happen. Were is referred to the past. Being, no. Are, yes. This is the right answer. You are going to buy me an Eid gift. You is the wrong. The grammatically correct here, the are here. The third one, they, a good group of students to take on a field trip. A good group. It refers to a one group of students. Can't use being here, were here, or they are a good. So, a group of student is a singular, so it will be is here. Yes, there is a good group of students to take on a field trip because we have singular group here of a student. So, we will choose is here. The fourth one, he, a good student in my class. This is very easy. Again, he are, no, this is grammatically incorrect. Being, no. He were, no, this is incorrect. If there was a was, it would be the right option. But here we don't have was here, so is the right option here. The fifth one, the lost child, great in his memory. Lost child here, जो बच्चा गुम चुका है, जो खो चुका है. Here the child is one here, singular person. So the child are, were, or being. Yes, the was here, the right option. I want you to choose the right option for these remaining sentences by yourself. This is your homework from Summer Pack, page number 23. This is also your homework from summer pack, page number 24, and we have an activity here. You have to describe the weather, fragrance of the flower, smell of anything rotten, the appearance of anyone, any feelings or taste. Use the linking verbs. Try to analyze things with your 5 senses in your immediate environment. Make sentences using the linking verbs. The taste, the smell, the hear, the see, the touch. The 5 senses here. And you have to choose the linking verbs in this activity. This is your homework from textbook page number 39. You have to identify the linking verbs here and the helping verbs that we discussed earlier in the lesson. You have to spot out all the linking and the helping verbs in this page of your unit 4. I hope you will do your homework and enjoy this lesson. Thank you.